We will have the launch of the floriculture mission. A big round of applause, please. And may we request our esteemed guests. So, have an eye at Tapti, the Bajam, the mission document. Thank you so much to our
program is a next step to the Prime program that has been started 5 years back. And the CM Elevate program targets 20,000 entrepreneurs for the next 5 years. We want to push and we want to support 20,000 entrepreneurs.
Become partners in development through entrepreneurship. Island Malacca CM Elevate program. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let us now go through this video which you will witness now. It is the next part of the program of 10,93,190, and the subsidy amount given by the government is up to 5 lakhs. It's actually more than 5 lakhs, and that's a subsidy percentage of 50%. We'd also like to ask Shri Johnny Linkoy from West Khasi Hills, Motion Road. That's a check of 62,500, which is the help given by the government. K.O. Pass Jarwa from East Khasi Hills, Kharashnang Latgro, 25,000, and the government is supporting him of over 50%, that is 62,500. Let's call on Bankirlang Bukpang from East Khasi Hills, Kharashnang Latgro himself. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we had mentioned we call Shakespeare from Southwest Khasi Hills, Maukarwat. A big hand clap as this document and booklet is being released. A big thank you to our esteemed guests and dignitaries.